Yo, what's up YouTube, this is technical side in here in another video. So today I'm going to show you how to add Windows boot next to Kali Linux boot if you can't find this after installing Kali Linux. So I will show you in this tutorial how to make that happen in some easy ways. Just follow me. First, run terminal and write sudo space os-proper and hit enter. Then enter your password. You will find the Windows partition, the Windows you have installing. Now hit sudo update-grub and hit enter. Wait some seconds. Notice here, if you found your Windows listed, that's cool, but if you did not, follow me to the next step. Now run this command sudo nano. You will find this command in the description. Just copy paste it. Run sudo space nano space /etc/default/grub and hit enter. Now use arrows. Now navigate to grub underscore disable underscore os underscore proper equal to false. But instead of writing this command, just remove the dash from the command and hit Ctrl O, save your files and press enter. After that, and to exit press Ctrl X. Now run this command again, sudo space update-grub and hit enter. Now we will find the Windows listed in your grub bootloader. As you see, the Windows has been found. Now to just reboot, then you will find. Well, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like it. If it works for you, just hit subscribe and like to my video. See you in another video, guys. Bye.